Attorney General Jeff Sessions is not answering questions about a Justice Department investigation at Harvard University. CBS News learned earlier this month that the DOJ is investigating the role of race in the admission process to see if Asian American applicants are held to a higher standard. Paula Reid asked the Attorney General about the investigation, and she got the silent treatment, big time. She's outside Justice Department headquarters in Washington with more on this story. Paula, good morning. I saw that news conference yesterday. That was a very interesting thing to watch, but I have to say you did not back down.
That's right. You can't back down. The Justice Department hasn't really opened many civil rights investigations since Jeff Sessions took over, but it has launched this probe into Harvard University's affirmative action practices while at the same time halting most other forms of discrimination investigation. This is the Attorney General of the United States. I understand you're doing your job, but I'm doing mine too.
Off camera, the Attorney General's communications team blocked questions about the Harvard case.
Your Civil Rights Division is investigating Harvard University for possible civil rights violations related to affirmative action, possibly discriminating against Asian Americans and white students. Why is this a priority for your Justice Department?
We'll take an on-topic question on opioids.
Why can't he answer that, though? I mean,
this is a conversation about our opioid policy.
He was able to ask about Alabama. He was able to ask about sanctuary cities. Why can't I ask about this?
Letters obtained by CBS News show the Justice Department's Civil Rights Division has concluded that the elite school is out of compliance with the law. They also show that Harvard has refused to hand over documents and has challenged the department's authority to investigate.
The Justice Department's investigation is unprecedented.
Vanita Gupta led the Civil Rights Division at the Department of Justice under President Obama.
The Justice Department has never been a party in these cases directly investigating an institution.
We simply cannot allocate our resources based on the color of one's skin.
Attorney General Sessions has been critical of affirmative action, and in 2015, then candidate Trump hinted it might be time to end the practice.
I'm fine with it. We have it. It's there. But it's coming to a time when maybe we don't need it.
65% of Americans believe race should not be used in admissions decisions.
Despite a lot of these programs, that Blacks and Hispanics are underrepresented in colleges and universities today, even more so than they were in 1980.
The Supreme Court has upheld the use of race in admissions as recently as 2016.
What is the legal argument that the Justice Department is trying to pursue with this investigation?
Well, the Justice Department clearly seems to be trying to tee up another case for the Supreme Court. It looks like right now that they are looking for a sympathetic, attractive group of plaintiffs. Here it's Asian American students who've been denied admission at Harvard, and to try to drive a wedge among communities of color by kind of pitting Asian Americans against African American and Hispanic students.
The school says that it is trying to give the government the documents it has requested while also protecting student privacy. The Justice Department has given Harvard until Friday to cooperate, or it could file a lawsuit. Norah?
A really important story, Paula. Thank you for reporting on this.